GrapheneOS versus Android, which is better? Choosing the right operating system can completely change how you experience security and privacy without sacrificing usability. Let's briefly explore both options. GrapheneOS and Android are both popular mobile operating systems, but they cater to different user needs. GrapheneOS focuses on enhanced security and privacy, while Android offers a broader app ecosystem and customization options. GrapheneOS is an open-source operating system based on Android, designed specifically to maximize security and privacy. It employs advanced security features like hardened memory allocator, sandboxing, and improved permissions management. GrapheneOS works by replacing the standard Android environment with a more secure framework, allowing users to install apps from various sources while maintaining a high level of security. Its strengths lie in its robust privacy protections, making it ideal for users concerned about data security and surveillance. However, it may have limitations in app availability compared to mainstream Android, as some popular applications may not be fully supported. The ideal user for GrapheneOS is someone who prioritizes security and privacy over extensive app choices and customization. Android is a widely used mobile operating system known for its flexibility and extensive app ecosystem. It allows users to customize their devices with various applications, widgets, and themes. Android works by providing a user-friendly interface and access to the Google Play Store, where millions of apps are available for download. Its strengths include a vast selection of apps and services, making it suitable for casual users who enjoy personalization and convenience. However, Android has faced criticism regarding security vulnerabilities and privacy concerns due to its open nature. Users who frequently install apps from unverified sources may expose their devices to risks. The ideal user for Android is someone who values app variety and customization and is comfortable managing their device's security settings. When comparing GrapheneOS and Android, consider real-world scenarios. For a user focused on privacy, GrapheneOS provides a fortified environment that minimizes data leaks and tracking. In contrast, an Android user may enjoy the convenience of accessing a wide range of apps, but might compromise on privacy. For example, a professional handling sensitive information would benefit from GrapheneOS's security features, while a casual user who enjoys gaming and social media might prefer Android for its extensive app offerings. The trade-off comes down to prioritizing security versus app availability and user experience. If security and privacy are your top priorities, GrapheneOS is the clear choice. For those who value a rich app ecosystem and customization, Android is the better option. Ultimately, your choice should align with your specific needs and preferences.